Here it is out of the microwave. It really does smell like heated up beef jerky. Gross! Hey Grains, welcome to another Cash or Trash, the show where we review multiple craft kits so that you don't waste your money, but I do. Today we're going to be looking at 3 DIY miniature food edible craft kits. Wow, that was a mouthful. For those of you who don't know, Japan is really big on making miniature food kits that are edible. And the fun thing about these is that more often than not, they're not as grossly sweet as the ones in North America. And yes, they are all under $3. Another fun thing about these kits is that not only do they make sweet kits, but you can also get hamburger and pizza flavors. And I mean, they taste like mini McDonald's burgers. And so, I'm a little excited to try these 3. The first kit we have is a Takoyaki miniature kit, and it's supposed to be imitating octopus ball. I am not a fan of seafood, so the fact that it comes in a candy kit, that's okay. I can deal with that. Next we have a dessert themed one, which has a taiyaki, and it seems like it has dango, which are like rice cake balls for the dango. And the taiyaki is like a little pastry stuffed with red bean paste or custard. Oh, why is the salt coming out on this one? Come down.
Come out and play my little salt.
And last but not least, only in Japan do we get food kits that would have fake beer. Yes, you heard it, fake beer. So it's advertised as a miniature food kit that potentially little children might use. I'm not going to use the full word because YouTube might flag me. I am not a channel for children. And so I find it really interesting that we would have this. I am really hoping that it doesn't taste like apple juice like the previous one. So hopefully there's a little bit of a different flavor on that one. By the way, put your hands up if you remember the Popeye candies used to have a red tip. Just put your hand up.
Because now I know how old you are.
For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, don't make me wave a sharp pointy thing at you. Click that subscribe button and make sure to click on all notifications, otherwise you're automatically put into personalized or custom. Our first kit, good enough, is the Poppin Cookin Takoyaki set. Takoyaki is mainly known in the city of Osaka in Japan. It is one of their biggest delicacies and specialties, so it's pretty much, think of it as a hot pocket, but stuffed with one little tiny piece of octopus, and you can have extra things like cheese and green onions. I personally take it without the octopus because seafood. No. Let me know in the comment section below, do you think that this kit will be a savory one or will it be sweet? Also feel free to click on the iCard section to vote. Time to see what we get inside. We get our jelly octopus base, which means that for those of you who said that this was going to be sweet, I think you're on the right track. There's only one way to find out. Please don't taste like octopus. A batter mix, our barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, toothpick and spoon, as well as our mixing station. Once your takoyaki is done, you can put as many different toppings as you want. Usually that includes a kind of barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, and bonito flakes, which look like dancing in the wind. So according to the package, the first thing we have to do is cut up and divide our mixing base. And then afterwards, take 1 scoop of water, place the octopus, open up the octopus. Wow, I'm gonna be saying octopus quite a bit today. Open the packet and place it and mix it. Alright, so this is turning out to be less of a jelly and more of a kind of like a paste, a gummy, I guess. And it has this kind of bouncy texture. What does it smell like? That does not smell sweet. Oh, now I'm scared. Honestly, right now, this is a roller coaster ride and I'm getting goosebumps because I really hope this is not going to have fishy kind of taste to it. All right, off we go. We should be able to make about 8 gummies. If I can describe how it smells like, think of it as kind of beef jerky type smell. Yeah, I'm scared. I am actually now legitimately worried for this. It smells not sweet at all. I could be wrong. Now we're going to be making the mayonnaise by opening the first part, putting 1 scoop of water and mixing it up and then setting it aside so that it can thicken. Let's sniff it. Oh, It does not smell sweet either. Okay, what did I get myself into? Normally, I know I'm a sucker for punishment, but I do not like seafoody things. I was like, oh, this is gonna be sweet.
No, you're wrong.
Now let's take a sniff on the batter. It smells like batter. That's the scary part. Why am I so scared? Oh my god, why did I do this? Wow, regrets. So we're going to be mixing the batter with 2 scoops of water, and then we're going to be placing it in the actual container, that little circle things, and then placing 1 little octopus gummy inside each one. So it really is very much so mimicking the actual method of making takoyaki. So even though the mixture, English number 1, said that we should be able to make 8 of these little half domes, it turns out I was only so far able to make 6. Let's put our little octopus tentacles. Alright, off these little things go into the microwave for about 30 seconds. Technically, we shouldn't be able to do a full takoyaki ball. We're only supposed to be making a half dome, then flipping it around and decorating it. And so while I'm waiting for the piece to finish in the microwave, all I did was put the 1 scoop of water with the barbecue sauce type mix. I don't want to alarm you, Grains, but it smells like seafood in here. Here it is out of the microwave. It really does smell like heated up beef jerky. I like beef jerky, but knowing that this is supposed to be octopus flavor. Alright, now we're supposed to flip it around. Oh no. I do not want to eat this. I do not want to eat this. I do not want to eat this. Grains, I am going all the way or not at all, okay? I'm putting the sauce, I'm putting the fake mayonnaise, and I'm doing it for you. Otherwise, I would have quit right here. Just to be clear, I'm pretty sure NerdECrafter is peeking from the back and being really proud of herself right now because she's the one who selected them. Here are our takoyaki pieces. They look gross. I am so scared right now. You have no idea. I keep saying I have goosebumps, and that's because I am petrified that this is going to be seafoody, and that is my least favorite of any kind of food. I'm gonna take the smallest one. Oh my god, they're still warm. There, we need some mayonnaise on that. Oh. I'm gonna taste the mayonnaise first. Oh, it tastes like powdered eggs. Oh, wow. Bottoms up. Spitters are quitters. Oh, no. No, it's down. Let me explain what it tastes like. A mixture of eggs and Worcestershire sauce and batter. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I think I need water. I'll be back. So another question you Grains have been asking for. Is it worth your cash or does it go
in the trash?
Does it work? Yes. Were the instructions clear? Yes. Is it a flavor profile any of us would enjoy in North America? Maybe. Would I buy this again? No. And I think if someone who lives in Japan loves takoyaki, there's absolutely no reason for anyone to get this. So I hope they don't make these again, and I would rate it
in the trash.
Even though it does work. My rating is based on flavor at this point. Because the burger and pizza one are so good. Our next victim, actually at this point I feel like I'm the victim. A Taiyaki and dango kit. Desserts in Japan are my favorite. I'm starting to doubt kits now, but I love the fact that things are not too sweet. Let me know in the comment section below, do you like your sweets sweet, like you want the sugar to like reach your inner veins? Or do you like things to have a balance between bitter and sweet? I tend to like the bitter and sweet balance more. So that fish looking thing should taste like a sweet bun with red bean paste. The 3 balls on a skewer should have a sweet kind of sauce right on top. The white wrapper should taste, in essence, like a mochi, probably with strawberry. And it seems like we have a ramune type drink, which is like 7-Up, but a little less lemony. All right, let's see what we get inside. Alright, so similarly to the first kit, we have to divide our divisions, right? And then once we divide it, we can actually cut up the little piece of plastic right here and put it around our cup to make decorations. I mean, half the fun of this kit is being super cute, right, Burp? What are you even doing? I'm over here. And he's gone again. Why do you betray me? You leave me alone all the time. All I want is to love you. Well, peekaboo to you too. But I have things to do, okay? Alright? You have a problem with that? If you have a problem, you bring your butt over here and fight me. And so the first thing we're doing is our strawberry jelly, and we're going to be putting 1 scoop of water and the strawberry mix. Is that okay with you? I guess that's a no, but we're gonna do it anyway. That smells so good. It smells like strawberry jam. And now for the mochi part, which is supposed to be like a rice cake base, we're going to be putting water until the line and then adding the blue packet. Once we do that, we're supposed to make 4 different balls, in which 3 of them are tinier. For our little fishy taiyaki things, I don't know what this is, but apparently I'm swimming now. We're going to put 4 of the little scoops of water, mixing it up and putting it into the mold for the fish. Now to make the fish and strawberry stuffing, we're going to take the brown packet at 2 scoops of water, mix it up, and then start shaping our pieces. Oh, now I'm curious what this smells like. Smells like Nestle Quick chocolate mix. Oh my god, I want some of that. After that, we're going to take the purple packet to make the little sauce for the 3 rice things and place them on the skewer. You can't smell this, but it definitely smells, this sauce here for the dango, like a sweet soy sauce. That's technically what it's supposed to smell like. I don't know if that's what it tastes like, but I'm excited to put the little dango skewers in here and then dunk it in that sauce. I am salivating from excitement right now. This is so exciting. Am I biased? No, you're biased. The only thing left to do now is the soda, and usually those sodas are pretty gross, but hey, I'm not here to judge.
Actually, I am. I'm the bringer of salt.
Eating sweet things and waving sharp pointy things at you, Grains. What'd you do? Confess. Here we go for the soda, and it should fizz. It definitely does smell like ramune, which is the Japanese version of Sprite or 7-Up. All right, I'm going to go in order of least excited to most excited. So I'm going to say that probably the mochi is my least excitable one. Taiyaki is next, and then the dango. So I am really excited about the dango. The drink we'll have in between each one, so you know we need to cleanse the palate, because I say we don't just drink with all our fingers, we make sure that one of them has to be up while drinking, because we fancy like that. Alright, so as you can see, it should have a chocolatey strawberry flavor to it. We're just gonna put the whole thing, otherwise it's gonna be a mess, so itadakimasu. That is really good. It's not overly sweet, and it tastes like chocolate strawberries. I would give it an 8 on 10. Next we have the taiyaki, which I'm a little disappointed we didn't get a kind of red bean because it's just going to be chocolatey soft cookie. Let's try. As you can see, it's pretty doughy, which is impressive for a candy kit under $3, but it's pretty underwhelming compared to the one that we have strawberry in. So I would say a 6.5 on 10. Last but not least, the dango on me. Good. So excited about this. It's gonna be a little bit of a sweet and salty flavor. So if you're into that, this should technically mimic it. It is mimicking that sweet soy sauce flavor. Oh my god. Might not be everyone's cup of tea, so I'm gonna rank it the same as the strawberry chocolate one. But yeah, this is probably give it also an 8 on 10. The real thing would be a 10 on 10, obviously, but we're talking about a kit. I totally forgot to take drinks, didn't I? Time for the drink. Smells great. The drinks are not different. They taste like soda with all the fizz completely removed. Not terrible, but not great either. I would probably also rank it a 5. And now, drums, please. Alright, that's enough. The final kit, which has a fake beer and sashimi slices. If you're not familiar with sashimi, it's pretty much sushi minus the rice. It's just the pieces of raw fish. I am Praying to the Japanese mini food kit gods, please. Don't make this a savory kit. I don't want the texture and feeling of raw fish jelly, please.
I said please.
In addition to there being the beer and sashimi slices, I absolutely love the fact, just look over there, that we have a drunk salary man. It is such a huge part of Japanese work culture, the salary man going out to have a couple of drinks with their buddies. But the fact that they put it on this kit, also for about $3, may or may not appeal to children. Childs, that's what we're gonna call them now, childs. Time to see what we get inside. Here's what we get. Packs for our tuna, squid, and pork, our beer mixture, the molds, water scooper, a little display plate, and chopsticks. So the first thing we do is we take our tuna packet. That's what I'm trying to say, but I'm having a hard time computing it here. With 2 scoops of the water, and then we're going to be putting it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Once we do that, we're going to pour it into the mold. Ooh, it smells. I'm not gonna tell you what it smells like, but I'm not too upset at it. I definitely over poured on some of the other ones, so we technically would have had enough. And now it's pretty much repeat the process for both the squid and the pork. Now we have to shove it in the freezer and wait overnight. I didn't know this video was gonna take me that long for the kit that is the least impressive. Once the jellies were out of the fridge, all we have to do is put it on the plate and make it look nice and pour out the green packet, which is supposed to mimic soy sauce. I have no idea what flavor it's supposed to be. And last but not least, we have a nice cold cup of ice that we're going to make our beer. All right, so it should start fizzing. Let's get a little closer and off we go. That was underwhelming. Oh, there it is. Maybe it needs a little stir. All right, I can deal with this slow building. Let's speed things up. All right, so let's get first impression on each of these little jelly things. It does smell like strawberry. Let's see if it tastes like strawberries. Oh, it's like aspartame. Ugh, that's gross. Yeah, if you like fake sugar, this definitely tastes like fake sugar. Let's try one of the squids. Still tastes like fake sugar, but the flavor behind it tastes a lot more like rice pudding, which I like, but I don't like the fake sugar. All right, let's take this one and dunk it into this sauce. I have no idea what this sauce, it's supposed to mimic soy sauce. It's really coating the piece evenly. I really hope it's not chocolate syrup, because that's gonna be gross. Oh, and it broke. All right, no time to waste on those that are hanging out in the swimming pool. Let's use another. All right, I'm just not gonna wave it anymore. All right, let's just get to the point. Gross! What is this? It's not chocolate syrup. I can't specifically tell what it is. It's just dark sugar. That's what it tastes like, just dark sugar. Well, maybe the drink will help us. So I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's take a sip. It still smells like a piña colada. And tastes like yellow sugar. There's no defined flavor to this. I mean, it does look pretty refreshing, but drinking all of this, I would have to lose a dare. Oh, I forgot. There's my finger. So overall, this kit is just way too fake sugary flavored. The activity itself is nowhere near the second kit that we did. And I'm so frustrated I can't talk no more. It just feels like a huge waste of time and money because the activity is not that fun. So I would say this kit for me, even though it's only $3, goes
in the trash.
If you've tried any food kits, let me know in the description box below. Which one did you try and was it good or was it... If you want to watch the previous Japanese craft kits that I checked out, make sure you click up here. And if you want to watch a crafty video, make sure you click down here. Until then, I will see you grains in the next video.